Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be learning how to play What Do You Meme? The game where your memes aren't just for the internet, they're for victory. In this game, the objective is simple. Collect the most photo cards. To set up, each player draws 7 caption cards from the deck. Choose the first player to be the judge. The judge looks through the photo cards and chooses one to place on the easel for everyone to see. Now everyone chooses the funniest caption card from their hand and places it face down on the table. The judge shuffles the submissions and chooses the one he finds funniest. That player will collect the photo card and his winning entry and place it in front of him. The player on the left of the judge becomes the new judge. All players also draw another caption card to top up their hand to 7. Don't like your caption cards? You may exchange one of your earned photo cards and your existing set of cards for a new set of 7 cards. Continue playing for as many rounds as you like. The player with the most photos wins. And that's it! Here's a tip. For a more memorable time, add your own photos and caption cards. We guarantee that will add a whole new dimension to the game. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this tutorial, like, share and subscribe for more game guides. Let us know in the comments which game you'd like to master next.